Hello YouTube, it's day 2 of the health vlog. Alright, so it's kind of raining out, so I'm just taking a quick walk just in case it gets worse. Plus I don't want this thing getting, soaked. I switched to my flip camera instead of the iPod, but that's irrelevant. Sorry, there's a little bit of dust on the lens. Alright, so I'm not going to do 3 check-ins this time because of the weather unless it stops raining. Which it doesn't look like it's going to. It's only a light shower right now, so I'm going to walk until it gets heavy. Ooh. Which seems to be right now. Holy crap. It's starting to get heavy. I just started my walk and it's starting to get heavy-ish. I'll go a little bit further. Anyway, I just wanted to tell you guys, talk about the vlog real quick. This is a health vlog, as you can tell. However, after the first month of me doing this, I think I'm going to just do a couple of, it's not raining underneath this tree too much, so I'm just gonna keep my feet moving but stop walking for a minute. I think I'm going to, I'm going to do the first month, I'm just going to keep going. I'm going to do the first month, sorry, losing my train of thought. And then, after that, I'll be doing check-ins. I'm going to try to do a vlog every day for the first month, and then the rest will be just me checking in to show you guys if there's any progress or tell you of any changes in my routine. And that's about it. The first month, of course, started yesterday, so yesterday was the 22nd? Excuse me, I'm a bit... No, 21st. Today's the 22nd, so July 21st will be the end of the first month. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Anyway, I don't want this thing getting too wet, so peace. Hey guys, so the rain is all but stopped, so I just figured I'd do a second check-in. So you're probably wondering, why am I facing outward? Very simple. I wanted to show you the pace I walk. It's not very fast for a healthy person, but I'm not one of those people yet. It is, however, a good pace for someone who's on their second day. Plus, come on, who wants to see through my eyes? Here we go. Now you're seeing through my eyes. The camera's like right up against my face. Anyway. Sorry, I'm feeling a little weird. So normally, I would turn ahead. Turn right at the, that's a bit close. Right at the corner ahead. There's the proper wording. But instead, I'm going to turn at the next corner. because I'll get more distance that way. I'll get the same distance I would if I was going on a long, or almost the same distance I would if I was going on a long walk instead of a short one. Which makes sense considering the rain has pretty much stopped. You see, right here is my block. Slow people in front of me. So, anyway, sorry, losing my train of thought. I forgot my water today. Not a good idea. Always remember your water. Here's the corner. Alright. So people in front of me, so I had to slow down. Not their fault. They have short legs. No offense to people who have short legs. Anyway, so I'm feeling really hyper. Not hyper, but really good and making me happy. Releasing endorphins. Something food used to do for me. Now it just makes me feel fat. I'm starting to get in a healthier state of mind, a health conscious state of mind. I'm eating stuff I should eat versus stuff I shouldn't. Anyway, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Don't mind the randomness of the video. Like I said, I have a kind of a hyper feeling because of the endorphins being released by the exercise. Alright, I'll see you later. Alright guys, third check-in. That block that I said I was going to walk down, I'm almost at the end of it. That came out weird, kind of Yoda-ish. Walk that block you must. Anyway, sorry. Really bad Yoda impression. Anyway, jeez, I'm trying to fix the camera angles on this thing because I keep either seeing me like right here or my head's cut off. Oh, low tree. See, low tree. Duck must roadie run, kinda. Anyway, so I'm almost home. This is the third check-in because the weather's, the rain has stopped minus a couple of droplets here and there. Like I said before. We are now back on my block and heading home. There's a car trying to pass by me. And I feel like getting hit by a car. On my health vlog, not very healthy. As I said in the first video, I'm going to be doing the first month, which will go until July 21st, because that'll be about 30 days. Excuse me. And then I'm going to do updates as often as needed. Maybe. I might actually just start doing a weekly thing, weekly-ish thing. I'm not guaranteeing anything because I have trouble doing that. I forget to film, or I don't have time, or I'm not in a position where I can. Droplets of water on my lens, not good. But anyway, it's going to be as often as I possibly can. Anyway, I can't put up long videos, so see you soon.